My name is Gema Alcodori. I'm a service design and customer experience manager, and I'm the deputy CEO of LGT Digital Factory in Barcelona. The LGT Digital Factory was established as we want to accelerate our digital efforts and develop more technology in-house. Our culture of being forward-thinking and user-centric directly supports this ambition. And we're becoming a center of excellence in knowledge for digital developments. LGT believed in the idea from the start and has invested in our team. They made sure we have the right talent, spaces, and opportunities to succeed. They have supported us to collaborate in person and bring our best, and that helps to create high-performing teams. Here, I feel encouraged to take initiative, to propose ideas, and to work with teams around the globe to recommend best practices and tangible solutions. We are a really diverse team with different skills and backgrounds. And for me, that's such a huge opportunity to learn from one another. Part of my role is about helping people to work together and enhancing their strengths, and I find that really rewarding. While LGT has been around for more than 100 years, this feels like a new beginning. It's exciting to be part of the future success of LGT.